Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, make sure the phone is over 50% charged, and you have the recovery ROM file on a micro SD or internal storage. Use another phone to download the official recovery ROM for Redmi 7A, then copy the zip to the root or to downloaded ROM. Verify the file is named Update. Zip. Once done, power off the phone and prepare to boot to recovery. This is where you'll apply the package without a PC, so double-check the ROM matches your exact model. You now boot to My Recovery by holding power plus volume up until the logo shows. Once in recovery, navigate with the volume keys and select with power. Choose Apply Update or Install from storage, locate Update. Zip and confirm installation. The process may take several minutes. After installation, wipe cache and Dalvik artifacts if the option is present to avoid conflicts, but avoid wiping user data unless a full reset is required. This preserves your files. You finish by selecting Reboot System now. Expect a longer first boot as the system optimizes apps. Be patient for 5 to 10 minutes. If the device boots, verify settings and restore data. If you hit a boot loop, immediately try reinstalling the exact recovery ROM or an alternate official recovery package from the micro SD. If repeated attempts fail, back up any accessible files and either use a PC-based flashing tool or contact authorized service. This avoids bricking and resolves deeper firmware or hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.